This is the LokiThor JA300 jump starter, and yes, with a name like that it sounds like something straight out of the Marvel universe. But let me tell you that this is an essential piece of gear to keep in your car. The JA300 isn't just a battery booster, it also has a built-in air pump to help maintain tire pressure. Those are two of the most useful vehicle safety functions combined into one. This 1500 amp jump starter provides up to 30 starts for 7-liter gas engines or 4.5-liter diesel engines. Just press the power button and the JA300 comes to life, and the large green bars up top show you the current charge level. To the left of that is the port for the jumper cables, and on the other end are a couple of USB ports for recharging this and external devices. Up on top is the power button for the LED flashlight. Just press and hold to turn it on. Press again to make it flash. Then press one more time for an SOS signal. The JA300 comes with several accessories, including a carrying bag, jumper cables, air tube, USB cable, and 4 different air nozzles. The clamps for the jumper cables are insulated to prevent sparking. And when you're ready to jump start a vehicle, just plug them into the front. Under the hood, locate the battery and attach the black clamp to the negative terminal. Then simply attach the red one to the positive side, which is always identified with something red. Now power on the jump starter and wait for the battery reading to show up. As long as there's a green light above the bar/PSI button, it's ready to go. At this point, you should be able to start the vehicle like normal. Now just detach the clamps from the battery starting with the red cable. And that's how you use the JA300 to jumpstart a vehicle. The LokiThor jump starter is a medium-sized unit, so it's not going to fit in the glove box, which means the trunk or under the seat is going to be the best place to store this. And I'll list the JA300 in the description so it's easy for you to find. To use this as an air compressor, grab the included braided air hose. Then attach it to the back. The JA300 comes in really handy whenever you need to inflate your tires. Once the hose is connected to the valve stem, you'll see the current tire pressure indicated on the display. And before I turn it on, I can preset the desired air pressure using the plus and minus buttons. To inflate a tire, press and hold the pump button for about 2 seconds. Here, I'm going to speed this up a bit, and the compressor will automatically turn off once it reaches the preset PSI number. One thing I noticed here is that it actually inflated my tire 1 pound over what I set it for. But when I checked it with another gauge, it was actually closer to the preset pressure and not too far off. So keep this in mind and know that you might need to set your presets slightly lower than what you need. Okay, so the JA300 can also be used as a power bank for USB powered devices. Here I can plug in my iPhone, tablet, or other things to charge on the go. And when the JA300 itself needs recharging, just plug in the included USB-C cable to an AC power source. It actually has up to a 24-month standby, so you can go long periods without recharging. And before I finish this video, here's one more thing you should know. On some vehicles like this 2015 Mercedes C300, the battery is hidden under plastic panels. I'm sure there are many cars like this, but the good news is that you don't have to remove the battery panels. Just locate a section of bare metal or a grounding post in the engine compartment. Now attach the black clamp here. Then find the positive remote terminal of the battery. Mine is here under a red cover. Once the JA300 is powered up, just start the vehicle like normal. I like to keep jump starters in all of my vehicles. They offer peace of mind wherever I go. And the LokiThor JA300 is no exception. It has all the essential features I need anytime I hit the road. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.